Yo, big shout out to my man Conrad. Go hit him up on Instagram if you want that No Panic hoodie. You know, best for riding. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? I appreciate you guys checking back in with KASKET. Might sound a little muffled. I got like a mask over my face because it's windy again today, of course. Yeah, I'd like to give a big shout out though, Conrad Pogo. I appreciate the hoodie, gassing up, son. I don't know, KASKET definitely approves, so you might as well go get yourself a No Panic hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Thanks. Bless me with that No Panic swag. No shit. What's up, what's up? Yeah, like I said, shout out my boy Conrad Pogo for blessing me. Yeah, shout out the boy for blessing me with the fucking No Panic swag. This hoodie's hard as fuck. Oh yeah, we appreciate my new subscribers, all the support. That shit's awesome. Hi. We out. I know you'll see it. I know you'll see it. Oh, can't grab it today. Woohoo! It's a little chilly though. Yeah, shout out to my No Panic swag though. This shit is hard. You better go get yourself a hoodie. Like ASAP. Ace fucking sap. They're like, do something, dude. It's fucking chilly out here. Like, fuck. Alright.
Bubba mama said she proud of me. Whole gang gon' ride for me. Walk around with a knot. Can't trust a bitch, she a thot. Spend a whole lot on a watch. Flexing hard, now they want me to stop. She ain't that cool, no panic.
Yeah, we're just out here having some fun today. Definitely looks nice, I'm sure, on camera. It's a little bit cold, but that it doesn't mean you can't do wheelies when it's cold. Yeah, guys, like I said, if you guys want to... Actually, I didn't say that. That video hasn't came out yet. Take it back. Yeah, no, but if you guys want any stickers, you guys want any merch, you guys let me know, because we got that shit. But like I said as well, shout out my man Conrad Pogo, dude. Bless me with the fucking No Panic hoodie. So what's up? could just hear my tires. Road work ahead. Damn right, what road work ahead. $12. Oh yeah. Pit life. Sorry guys. Come on, dude. Killing willies over here, bro. Did that shit on purpose. Why he did that shit on purpose? Hi. So what's up? Yeah, take it off. I haven't seen anybody smile today. Except for me, I don't know. Sad, sad, sad. We got gas, we're good. Yeah guys, I got new reflex stickers as well. I still haven't put them on yet. I'm gonna do a video on those, but my big flyer stickers are still looking pretty clean and crispy. But my reflex stickers are sweet though. Shout out to Ride Out Supply. Hit them up on Instagram. Same thing, hey Conrad Pogo up on Instagram. You want that No Panic hoodie? Gonna get it tipped over, because if you tip it over, then it willy. Pretty much. Yeah, make sure everybody likes, subscribes, leave a comment below. If you got tips, yeah, if you got tips fucking on if you got tips on how I could wheelie better on my SC bike, let me know, leave them below, because I would appreciate those. Not as clean and crispy like on this thing. Yeah, but if you guys do have some like tips for me on the SC bike, just leave those below. I'll read through them, see if I could try any of them. Throw it up. It's gonna. BBB. Chasing Dre. BBB. That's on me. BBB. Rep the team. Woo. BBB.
Young nigga had to get it, believe me. Diamonds on me, that's a whole lot of water.